So hello, today we're gonna do a makeup and you can go in the end, skip the video to see how it actually turns out and subscribe. So first we'll start with the moisturizer. My face is completely washed, just need a little bit moisturizer. In case if you don't know me, my name is Grace. I live in Australia and yeah, we'll use a primer. I'm gonna use a primer from Soft Glam because I love their primer. When I apply it on my face, I can feel the coolness and hydration, and that's what we need for our skin, so it can become a little bit glowing. So either you can do it like this. You can make sure you also use the primer on your under eyes and on the eyelids. Okay, you have your color corrector and your concealer all together. I'm gonna use this one, mix it all in. Why I'm doing this? Because then it can be near my actual skin tone, as you can see. So once we apply that, just make sure you leave it for 20 seconds or something, and then do a little bit gentle tap with your wet sponge or puff, whatever you say it. And then after tapping, take your actual concealer, lighter shade, and apply in here, like not directly on the creases, but just a little bit below the creases. I'm gonna put the concealer on the top again. Take a white foundation and put it on the top. Trust the process, I'm telling you. You have two options. Either you can use this sponge or you can use a brush. Because I know I'm ended up gonna use the sponge, so I'm gonna use this one same in here, but from the back. Your foundation can be wet, so just take a white eyeshadow. Do not need to tap in, just go over it and spread it. Easy. And now I'm gonna take the yellow color, which is just right in here. I'm gonna go from inside. And then I'm gonna take a orange color. Make sure you do not mash it, just start doing with another layer. And here I'm gonna do in the end a red color. Until now, I have done all of my face as a white one because we need proper things when we are doing it. First, I'm going to begin with my eyeliner. Something like the wing one. I personally realized myself, when you put your eyelashes first and then do your eyeliner, it's pretty hard. I'm going to use a white eyeliner and do something like this. My face looks too white, and if you have a few product left, just make sure tap it around your neck as well. I'm gonna use this foundation. Do a little bit gentle tap, remove this area, and now do it. Take your contour, take a powder and do a little bit rub on your hand to make your surface smoother, and then gently tap in here. so your eyes can be locked. Your blush. Now I'm gonna take this little white sparkles, or you can use your fingertips for it. Something like this. I'm gonna take these kind of rhinestones. I'm gonna put something like in a circular way. So in here and in here.
A few moments later.
Now you might call me foolish, but in here I'm gonna do eyeliner now in the end. Why I like to do this? Because I don't want to ruin my makeup by doing all in between and get stuck to what I'm doing.
Now let me change my dress. Just making my skin a little bit more even.
Now in the final part, I'm gonna wear this. I think I'm ready to make videos now.